5-2-5. Maria Anna K-E-D-E-L-R Sequeira 5-2-9.
Yeah, finger.
Savio A-J-J-D.
Well, I've done my duty, and I'm confident that our candidate, Pallavi will turn out to be victorious. She will be our next member of parliament, and because I'm sure the voters are behind the party.
So what do you have to say about Nuvain constituency?
We will fare well. We'll do well.
Will people accept the lotus symbol? That is,
I think people accepting, not accepting, faith is in the machine. We will know by 4th of June. Let's hope. There's nothing we can do now. We've worked. And I believe the response was positive.
the campaigning was good.
Campaigning was good, campaigning was bad. Because I believe there was a concerted effort to misguide the voters. There have been all sorts of fears they tried to put into the voters. And the machine will speak. But I'm sad that there was a concerted effort to misguide and misinform the voters.
So what is your expectation from Nuvain constituency? Your constituency?
I think we should get about 7,000-8,000 votes.
Yes.
I'll be happy even with 6,000 votes.